Hello everyone, welcome back to our UiPath Board Central channel. Today we are going to learn about very interesting topic, coded test case, which will help us to demonstrate the complex level testing script, which is part of our UiPath test automation suite. In this today's session, we are going to learn what is the definition of coded test case, why we need to use coded test case, then what is the difference between activity code, then coded test case. Okay, let's get deep dive into our topic. First thing, what is the definition of coded test case? Coded test case is automate and validate the application behavior in structured manner. They are similar to low code test cases and allow for flexible automation using code. Okay. Then why we need to use the coded test case in the testing platform? The main purpose using coded test case instead of UiPath XAML workflows allows for more flexibility, better control, and easier maintenance in complex projects. Coded tests offer advanced features like custom logic, easier debugging, and smoother integration with development tools, while XAML workflows are simpler and more user-friendly for basic tasks. So the main purpose to use the coded test case, flexibility, then customization. Compare with the UiPath XAML workflows. Let me tell you on demo. You can see that I have two workflows. One is activity flow, which is extensions ended with the XAML, XAML. Okay, this is UiPath flow. Then second one, coded test cases .cs. CS is nothing but C sharp. So you can see that both are different files, both are different approach, but concept will be the same. In the activity flow, I just dragged one activity to launch the one particular application website. Okay, the same thing, same concept, I replicated here under the coded test case. You can see uautomation.open. Then I pass the object repository element. So what functionality it will do, same thing, the coded test case also will get mimic, right? But what is the difference? Then what is the advantage compared with the both? I will explain in detail. The first thing, we need to compare the coded test case with activities. If first thing, what is the development approach of both? For coded approach, we can use C Sharp then VB.NET to implement the code. But for the activities in our UiPath Studio, we have the activity panel. We can simply drag and drop. Then skill level to customize or implement this coded workflow. The developer should know the knowledge about C Sharp and VB.NET. But when it comes under the UiPath normal activities, if the the respective person know about the logic implementation, then he can able to easily implement the end-to-end workflow, right? Then flexibility. Flexibility means like some features I want to add in the particular test script, some new properties I want to add. So in this kind of feature, we can customize code in the test script itself. But in the UiPath activity, we have the limitations. There is some rules we have to follow. Then customization property in the next level. What is the level of you can customize the particular things? So if you are going to dealing with any you can say complex level process. Okay, so yeah, I want to add some add-on features, add-on properties, add-on retries kind of things, like based on the application behavior I need to do something. So in this case, if I have the code in handy, I can modify whatever it is based on my targeted result. Based on that, I can able to implement the workflow, then demonstrate the end-to-end testing. But when it comes under the UiPath activities, we have the standard activities, then list customization. Okay, then integration facility. Integration facility is like with the help of coded cases, we can integrate with the some other languages codes, then new techies, Then based on your concept, you can integrate with the different kind of application as well, like APIs kind of things. In UiPath activities, we can do the same, but there is some limitation based on their standard. Okay, then development speed. Yeah, as you know, to develop the code, it will take much more time. Each line we need to debug, we need to understand the logic. Based on that, we need to again reframe the whole codes. But under the studio, there is some, we have the option, just we need to drag and drop. Then we can, based on the behavior, we can add retries, exception handling kind of things. Okay. Then reusability. Once we develop the code, the file will ended with the .cs. In our test script, whenever we want, we can invoke these particular files. We can utilize over the workflow. Same thing under the studio, we have the two options. We can utilize like activities and then library. In the both form of these components, we can utilize wherever we want in the project. Okay. The main purpose, the flexibility, customization, integration. These three important aspects when we are going to dealing with a complex project we should need. So that is the reason UiPath gave one amazing platform. This is an exciting platform unveiled by UiPath, empowering the next level automation. To handling the complex level project, UiPath provides excellent features and open source platform, making it easier to manage advanced automation, right? So in the main code, you can see I have some properties. In the studio, I have some properties. Input element, output element, close, input, open, resize. Same thing in the coded test case, I can build the same properties, then features through the code itself. Still, note this point. If I want to add some more properties, some additional features, here I can't do that. I can able to perform with this boundary only. I can't able to go beyond this limit. But if I'm going to do with the help of this code script, I can add multiple features, properties based on our project demands. Okay. Yeah. So this is the difference between both. Then what is the reason we are using coded test cases? Okay. Yeah. Then in this series, what are the things we are going to do? I have created one workflow chart like a step by step how we are going to proceed with the landing. First, we are going to landing about coded workflow, then template, then autopilot series, PDD template, regression test cases, test data preparations, validations, test manager, test orchestrator, how to collab these both, how to push the results, how to schedule the test cases, test sets, everything in the upcoming section we are going to learn about. Okay, so in this session we learned these basic things overview, just like an introduction. In our upcoming section, I will show the real-time projects, then real-time customizations, adding the features, everything. Okay. Okay, guys, we will see in the next video. If you found this video is useful, just like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.